Portable car refrigerator JoyTutus 42 quart, 40L, freezer, -4 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Fahrenheit, compressor fridge with iron sheet for camping, car, truck, RV, boat, travel, road trip, home 12V/24V DC and 110V 240V AC. You will receive 1 portable refrigerator, 1 AC adapter, 1 11 feet DC cord, 1 manual and 2-year warranty of this car fridge. If there is any problem with the product, please contact us, and we will do our best to solve it. How much it can hold? The car fridge can hold 64 330 ml cans of cola. The internal dimension of the refrigeration compartment is 11 5.5 13.6 inches. The internal dimension of freezing compartment is 13 11 13.6 inches minus 11 4.3 5.9 inches. 2 functions to meet your needs. This car refrigerator can be used for refrigeration and freezing at the same time. There is a removable partition between the freezing compartment and the refrigeration compartment, which allows you to store meat and vegetables separately. The temperature range of the cooler is -4 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Aspenora portable fridge freezer 12V car refrigerator car fridge with compressor touch screen for vehicle, truck, RV, camping, travel, outdoor, driving, gift, -4 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 12V/24V DC and 110V AC. Great improvements have made in our latest generation of portable freezer version 2.0. The 37 quart portable freezer has 7 quarts more, compared with the previous 30 quart refrigerator that is nearly the same dimension. Our advanced design includes 2 compartments, 1 smaller 6-wide refrigerated area, and a large, deep freezer area. AstroAI portable refrigerator freezer 12-volt refrigerator 37 quart, 35 liter, for car, RV, van, vehicle, boat, portable freezer, -4 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Fahrenheit, for camping, travel, fishing, outdoor 12/24V DC 100/240V AC. With 37 quart large capacity, larger interior dimension 12.9 L x 10.5 W x 12.2 H, smaller interior dimension 10.5 L x 6.3 W x 5.7 H, it could be a fridge or freezer to keep different kinds of stuff cool by varying temperatures, such as beverages, fruits, ice cream, vegetables, seafood, meats, skin care, and milk. Fast cooling, with a powerful compressor, the car freezer in empty can cool to 32 degrees Fahrenheit at most within 15 minutes from 77 degrees Fahrenheit, and reach the lowest -4 degrees Fahrenheit 20 degrees C about 45 minutes. You can choose the max mode for the fastest cooling, or choose the ECO mode for energy saving. It uses less than 1 kWh per day in ECO mode.